Introducing the MATCHFIT Dovetail Clamp Pro, an all-in-one package that'll revolutionize the way you work with wood. It includes 2 dovetail clamps, a setup gauge, the all-new Dovetail hardware variety pack, and the specially designed MATCHFIT Dovetail router bit with built-in roundovers for cleaner cuts and less sanding. Everything you need to create your own tracks and make every inch of your shop more functional. Use the setup gauge to quickly dial in the Dovetail router bit's cutting depth and route grooves to experience the full range of functionality and versatility of the Dovetail clamps and Dovetail hardware. They move through the grooves below the surface, allowing you to secure material anywhere you can route a groove. The MATCHFIT system gives you all the functionality of T-Track and T-Track accessories at a fraction of the cost. Whether you need a quick one-time use jig or a permanent shop fixture, the Dovetail Clamp Pro makes it easy. Join the thousands of woodworkers who are already working smarter with the MATCHFIT system. Backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Add to your cart and work smarter today with the MATCHFIT Dovetail Clamp Pro. Microjig. Work safer, work smarter.